Dates, Nature's Sweet Gift, is a delectable documentary that delves into the fascinating world of date fruits. From the history of cultivation to the modern date industry, this documentary explores the significance of dates as a versatile and nutritious fruit, while also celebrating their cultural importance. In this chapter, we trace the origins of date palms and their cultivation in ancient civilizations. We explore the role of dates in the diet and daily life of early societies, such as the Egyptians and Mesopotamians, and their reverence for the date palm. This chapter delves into the unique properties of date palms. We learn about their resilience in harsh desert environments, their contribution to sustainable agriculture, and their ecological significance. Experts and botanists share insights on the extraordinary attributes of this miracle tree. Take a journey to the date groves of today, where modern cultivation techniques meet age-old traditions. We follow the process of date cultivation, from pollination and pruning to the labor-intensive harvest, showcasing the dedication of farmers and workers. The global date industry is booming, and this chapter explores the economic and cultural impact of dates. We visit date farms, processing facilities, and date markets, showcasing the diversity of date varieties and their value as a worldwide commodity. Dates are celebrated not just for their sweet taste but also for their nutritional benefits. We learn about the health advantages of dates, their use in traditional medicine, and their role in modern dietary choices. Dates hold a special place in the hearts of people from various cultures. This chapter explores the role of dates in religious and cultural traditions, from Ramadan iftars to symbolic rituals, highlighting their significance in celebrations and gatherings. Dates, Nature's Sweet Gift, offers viewers a delightful journey through the world of dates. Beyond their sweet and satisfying taste, dates are a symbol of resilience, sustainability, and cultural richness. This documentary showcases the enduring appeal of date fruits and their place in the tapestry of human history and agriculture.